Today's video we are going to see about the label encoder and ordinal encoder. Label encoder means is a technique used in the machine learning and data pre-processing to convert categorical data which consists of label or categories into numerical value. In the machine learning algorithm, the numerical data is required as an input and the categorical data need to be transferred to a numerical format. The label encoder assigns a unique numerical label to each categories or class in the categorical data. For example, if you have a feature with a categories like red, green and blue, a label encoder might assign a numerical labels like 0, 1 and 2 to these categories respectively. So now we can see one example. For that, first we have to import the file from sklearn dot preprocessing import label encoder. L should be capital, label encoder, E also capital, label encoder. So now I am going to create a label encoder instant. So label encoder instant label. So assigning variable as label encode, label underscore encoder equal to label E also should be capital encoder. Now simple example we'll see. Categories equal to the list variable I'm assigning red, green, again I'm giving red, blue, orange, again I'm giving green. So assigning the categories as like this. Now I'm going to fit and transform the data using label encoder. So for that you have to assign one variable as encoded label equal to, so here I am assigning as a label encoder as like this. So copy paste dot fit underscore transform categories. What we assign the categories is red, green, red, blue, green, orange, green. No, that categories here we are calling. Then print original categories that is original categories. What is the name? Categories. We have to call as categories. ORIES categories. Next, print encoded data that is encoded label underscore label. If you run this, so one mistake is there, comma, you're also missing. Okay, run this. You will get an as original categories as red, green, blue, green, red, red. So here encoded data is 2, 1. The categories is converted into numerical data. So 2 is according to the alphabetic order it changed. Blue is 0, then green as 1, red as 2. That is why it's named as an 210222. Okay, once green, red, okay. Categorizes like this. Next, ordinal encoder. Ordinal encoder is another techniques used in the machine learning and data pre-processing to encode the categories feature. But unlike a label encoding, it is especially designed for ordinal data. The ordinal data has a meaningful order or ranking between its categories, whereas nominal data handled by label encoding or one-hot encoding, it doesn't have a numerical order. So here also you have to assign input. So first we can assign one data frame. From that data frame we converted in ordinal data. Okay. Import pandas as PD. So same one for SQL and pre-processing, import ordinal encoder. Here label encoder is there. That's why I'm copying and paste to the ordinal encoder. O should be capital. Ordinal encoder. Next I'm assigning as an data is equal. Data is an assigning variable. Data equal to, in the dictionary format I'm assigning one data frame. Size so now I'm going to open the square bracket, small, medium, large, then again medium, again small. So this is a data variable. This comment can be converted into df equal to pd dot data. D should be capital, F also should be capital, frame data. Now you fit and transform the data with ordinal encoder. Ordinal encoder. Ordinal, as I'm assigning as an ordinal encoder equal to ordinal encoder categories equal to, you are giving the categories here. First we can give, see in the previous one they are assigned it as an alphabetical order, but here we are giving as an order. So medium, small, then large. Sorry, I'm given as a flower bracket, that is wrong. That's why I changed it. df is equal to, sorry, df size underscore size underscore encoder equal to, this is an assigning variable, equal to ordinal encoder underscore encoder dot fit underscore transform df our data frame, df size I am copying this. If you run this, fit underscore transform, this only I am assigned it. Ordinal encoder dot fit transformer. Okay, spelling is wrong. Transformer, yes, should become. Okay, if you run this now, you'll get correctly. So according to your order, you are assigned as a medium as first, small as second, large as third. So here small as second. So 1, 0, 2, then 0, 1. So you can change the order here also. If you change the order, medium as last means if you run this now, okay, anything is missing. Wait. If you run this now, Small as 0, large is 1, medium is 2. So you can check small as 0, medium as 2, large is 1. So you can assign the variable ordinal order. You can assign the order.